Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chicken paprika. For this here I have taken 200 grams of chicken with bones, half cup of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of regular paprika, 1 teaspoon of spicy paprika and 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and salt to taste. All these paprikas are easily available in the market. This is spicy paprika. This is sweet paprika. And this is smoked paprika. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Now here in the pan I have added 1/4 cup of oil. It is heated. In the oil I will add chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And ginger garlic. Bismillah. And now I will fry till chicken changes its color. Now here this chicken has changed the color. It is still not completely cooked. And now I will add in tomato paste. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salt and all the paprikas. Bismillah. Hot sauce. Bismillah. Sriracha, soya sauce, vinegar, and chili sauce. Be careful about salt because all these sauces have salt in them. Just give it a good stir, and now I will cook this cover till chicken is completely tender, and see this liquid. This moisture should be slightly thickened. Now here I have cooked this chicken for 20 minutes on low flame, and now after 20 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillah. And this chicken is tender, and see this sauce is also thickened. Now I am turning off the flame. At this stage, this is done. Very simple, quick, easy and different style of chicken paprika is ready to be served. And just before serving, I have sprinkled little coriander, but that's totally optional. You can serve this chicken with rice or roti. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.